Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So we are started a new video. So as you can see, I have logged into my system which is having a hostname daily study. I am in a home directory of root user. Okay, and after seeing the thumbnail, you are aware we are going to find the largest file in a Linux file system currently, which in system I am logged in. Okay, so if this is the majorly asked interview question, how you will find the file which is consuming most of the space. So in our two previous videos we have learned about find and du command. Both are giving different, but today we are going to merge both the command and get only one file which is consuming most of the space. So let's find. So what we'll do, find, and like under tmp, and the type is file. Okay, then execute du hyphen h on a source which is coming from that file. Okay, and plus pipe symbol short and reverse and human readable, and pipe head hyphen n1. So this is the file which is consuming most of the space in /tmp. Now if I go under /where, if I run under /where, okay, under where 66 MB file is having this thing. Now let's run for complete slash. Okay, yes, so 120 MB size is having these things. Okay, using this command we are able to see most or largest file size in your current line system. Okay, so this is nothing we are able to see because there is no size in a GB. So let's create a file using OpenSSL size of 1 GB. So OpenSSL, okay, this is a command sample.txt, and we'll create under /run / okay, let's see. So as you can see in this video terminal, I am running watch command. So every 2 seconds is getting update. So you are able to see the size is getting changed, 21%, 24%, 27%, 30, and every 2 seconds is updating. The beauty of watch command, 36%, 39. Actually this total size is 1.4 GB, so it is going to be full like 90 or 98. Let's see, 56%, 59% utilize, 62. It will take a couple of minutes to create a 1 GB of file. Okay, so OpenSSL is not doing anything. It's adding some random code or alphanumeric character to a sample file and creating that thing. So file system has reached to 83 and it's got a stop, is not updating. Let's go back to terminal. Okay, this is got completed. df-h. Okay, perfect. Let me clear my screen using Control L. Now we'll find out a file. Find /type f execute du-h, and we should get 1 GB file. Yes, perfect. Because we are running under /. If we run under /where or tmp, sorry, so we'll not able to get because it is part of /where. And if we'll run for /run, then you will get it. If you are not running for /run, you can run for /, then also you'll get, because in the / all the file system is currently visible to it. So that's how you can merge two command and get your concrete output. So what's the command? Let me repeat it again. Find location, type, file, and then exec means we are executing du-h command on the output coming from this. Okay, whatever file we are able to find, we'll run dufh on that files, then we'll sort it in a reverse manner and human readable. Then we'll pick only one file. You can give 2 or 3 if you want. It top 2 consuming file, like if I give 2, we'll get 2 output. Okay, we got 2 output. So you can give 5, 10, but if we interview is asking only one file, which is the largest file in Linux file system, you have to find out, then head -1 command will help you. Okay, so after completing this, let me remove that file, otherwise my system is getting full. Yes, to remove. Now if I run it again, I will not get that file, I will get Prometheus 120 MB. Perfect. So that's how you can use this command and it will help you. So I think this is good learning. This is the end of the video. If you are having any question remaining in your mind, or if it is coming to you, you can go use the comment box and ask a question to me. I will try to answer you all the question. Keep learning. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.